Hi everyone. So once again we will start our online classes and in our chemistry I want to start another chapter number 5, that is periodic classification of elements. So in this chapter the topics we are going to discuss. So these are the 5 major topics that we will discuss. That first is Dobrinus triads. Which triads? It's a Dobrinus triads. Means three triads means three elements. Their physical and chemical properties are same as far as their atomic mass and atomic number is concerned. So Dobrinus triads. Second is Newland's law of octaves. Octaves means 8. Octaves means 8. Means the characteristics are repeating in the 1 to 8 elements and again 9 to 16 elements. So 1 to 8 elements the characteristics are same, then 9 to 16 the characteristics are same. So that is Newland's law of octaves. Then another three important theories, that is Mendel's periodic law and its table. After that we will discuss modern periodic law and tables. Nowadays we are following the modern periodic table. So that also we will see. And last topic, that is trends in the modern periodic table. So today we are following this modern periodic table. We are not following Mendel's periodic table because there were some drawbacks and some limitations over there. So that's why we are following the modern periodic table today. As we know that the elements total numbers are 190. Okay, but some 2 or 3 are additional recently discovered, but they have not given in the modern periodic table because their characteristics are today also not justified. So therefore here in this 119 elements, 12 are gases, 3 are liquid and 104 are solid. So according to the states, 119 elements are kept in the modern periodic table. 12 are gases, 3 are liquid and 104 are solid state. So these are the 5 topics, that Dobrinus triads, Mendel's law of octaves, modern periodic table and its law, Mendel's periodic law and its table, and trends in the modern periodic table. So these are the major topics that are included in the chapter number 5, periodic classification of elements. Now before starting these topics, I want to again revise 20 elements, their atomic number, their atomic masses and their electronic configuration. So here, so 1 to 20 elements, how to remember? So that you are aware, that we know, first is hydrogen. Okay, first is hydrogen, second is helium, third is lithium, fourth is beryllium, fifth is boron, sixth, that is carbon, seventh is nitrogen, then 8 is oxygen, 9 is fluorine, 10 is neon. Okay, now 11 is very much familiar, sodium. 12 is magnesium. 14 is silicon. 15 is phosphorus. 16 is sulfur. 17 is chlorine. 18 is argon. 19 is potassium. And 20 number is calcium. So these are the 20 elements. Here first is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. These are the 1 to 20 elements. Now if you see the modern periodic table, so here this is a modern periodic table. This is a modern periodic table, and here 1 to 20 elements are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, so here all the elements names are given. So when you come to the class, I will bring this and I will explain this also. So this is a modern periodic table and how all the elements are arranged according to their physical and chemical properties. So here 1 to 20 elements. So how to remember this? It is a high, heli, bevo. You know this is abbreviation method. High, heli, bevo, car, knee of knee, car, knee of knee, then SMA, S mass, or you can remember as a SOMAS, and PSC, 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 APC. For first alphabet you can take here SOMAS, PSC, APC. Okay, so that way you can remember high, heli, bevo, car, knee of knee, SOMAS, PSC, APC, PSC, APC. So high, heli, bevo, car, knee of knee, SOMAS, PSC, APC. PSC, APC. This is the method how to remember the 20 elements. Now here, according to the atomic number, we will write as Z. It's the initial for Z, and atomic mass, that is A. So we are taking X element, so we can write A to Z. Okay, so here you can consider this Z is what? This one. So hydrogen atomic number is 1 and atomic mass is also 1. So this is 1. Clear? So here hydrogen 1 means this is atomic number, atomic mass. Atomic number, atomic mass. Now atomic number, atomic mass. So this is atomic number, 4 is atomic mass. Lithium atomic number is 3, mass is 7. Beryllium atomic number is 4, mass is 9. Boron atomic number is 5, mass is 11. Then carbon atomic number is 6, mass is 12. Nitrogen atomic number is 7, mass is 14. Then oxygen atomic number is 8, mass is 16. Clear? Then same way, 9, 19, 10, 20, 11, 23, 12, 24, 13, 27, 14, 28, 15, 31, 16, 32, 17, 35. Argon, that is 18, 40. Now here you can see argon 18 atomic number and mass number is 40. Then potassium 19 atomic number and mass number is 39. So next is calcium, 20 is atomic number and 40 is atomic mass. Now according to the valences, how to write it? So here it is 1. So valency is plus 1. Here plus 2. You are aware. You know that it is 2. Here it is 1. So here in KLMN cell, you know this KLMN cell. First required 2, then 8, then 18 and 32. Okay, so this is the electron configuration. How many number of electrons can be occupied? So 2, 8, 18, 32. Clear? So here it's a stable form, so it is halogen. That also we will discuss. But you remember this 20 elements, then atomic number and atomic mass. Up to here we will see, and remaining things we will see in our coming class. Whenever you come to the class, I will explain what is valence electron, because it will take more time. And if I will tell everything right now, it will be big video and it will face problem. It will create probabilities. So that's why here 20 elements, then method, atomic number, atomic mass, and important thing is what you will remember: atomic number and atomic mass. And how to arrange that? This is the abbreviation method, so easy to remember. So this is about chapter number 5, periodic classification of elements. These are the 5 major topics included in this chapter, and this is just introduction and very easy and very crucial 20 elements, their names, their atomic number and atomic masses. So up to here we'll stop. In coming video we'll go with the PowerPoint presentation about each and every topic in detail. Thank you. Have a nice day.